Alright, as you guys see here, we have it on. You're just going to adjust the strap to the tightness that you want. Alright guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are reviewing this shock barking collar. So let's go ahead. It's a dog training bark collar. Let's open this up. Let's see. Yeah, so basically you can use it for a ton of different applications, different range of pets. So there's a warranty card in here. There's a manual card inside here. Yeah, so it just goes over, tells you how to use it. So make sure you check out your card. Make sure you check out the settings, because there's a lot of settings to go over. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. They give you a power cable. They give you the shocking piece. Vibrating and shocking. Don't worry, it is pet safe. So if it shocks or it vibrates, it's not going to harm your dog at all. You know, they design these things to be very humane. So it's very simple. You got your mode and you have your power and you press. Let's see, press, there we go. So yeah, you press and you hold the power button and then it vibrated. Then you can set your different modes. Underneath it is how you charge it. So with the USB right underneath, you charge it. And it says firmly press the USB plug firmly after charging for waterproofing. And once you have it on, it's activated. And then you can set your mode. There's different modes by tapping the mode. So this is all tapping. You know, it's pretty simple. You have electric, and then you can up. So if you have electric set, you can up the watt, up the how it feels, I guess. And you can set different stuff here. So now, you're gonna have to play around with it. So show you guys what it looks like on. And to turn it off, you just press and hold the power button for a long time. So you press it once and then you press and hold, and it should go off then. It does have an auto off feature as well if it's not being activated. So once it's activated, there's an auto off. So overall, we'll see. All right, as you guys see here, we have it on. You're just gonna adjust the strap to the tightness that you want. All right, guys.